Hi neighbors, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Neighbors. It is I, Jerri-ellen, and in today's video we are making a couple of side dishes to go with our Sunday supper this evening. And yeah, so I'm just going to get right into it. Let's get started with this. Let's do this. Okay, I got two crock pots going. They're going to be crock pot sides. First one we're going to do is an orange spiced glazed carrots. I thought these sides might be good for people that might want something different for Easter sides. So I have about 450 grams of baby carrots in here. Okay, so like a pound. A quarter of a cup of lightly packed brown sugar, and a quarter of a cup of orange juice, 2 tablespoons of butter, 1/8 of a teaspoon of cinnamon, about the same with nutmeg. If you want, you can use ground nutmeg. Okay, I'm gonna give that a mixy mix. This is easily doubled, this recipe. Just that it's just the three of us here. So at the end of this, those juices will be made into a glaze. Just gonna put this aside. The second dish is going to be a green bean casserole. I usually get a different cut, but these work fine. I like them anyways, doesn't really matter. This is the same amount. I'm going to go with 450 grams, so like a pound of green beans. These are frozen. I'm going to put a teaspoon in of dried sage, a teaspoon of minced garlic, a half a tablespoon of dried parsley flakes. I have here some roasted red peppers. They're roasted sweet red peppers. I took one out of the jar and I cut it up a little bit, and I'm going to put them in. And some pepper. Put in a little bit of salt. I'm going to put in a little bit of nutmeg in this one as well. Just a dusting. Put in a can of cream of mushroom soup. And you're not going to dilute that. You're just going to put it in right from the can. I like the color of the red pepper through this. Might actually put in another one. It looks pretty. And we like it anyway. But a tablespoon or so of them are fine. Actually, that looks okay. There's a little bit of red through there. Looks nice. I think so anyway. And it adds a little bit of flavor. Neighbors, I'm adding some salt and pepper to the carrots now as well, because I did not do that. And you have to do that. Yes, you do. Okay. Also, neighbors, you know, for Sunday suppers, we like to most times make a picture or a drink of something. And I'm going to make a mock mojito. Picture of it. So this is about a quarter of a cup of lime juice. And I'm going to put a couple of tablespoons. You can use sugar, but I'm going to use a couple of tablespoons of honey. I am going to wash these. They're mint leaves. So in a pack, you get a little bundle of them. I'm going to give them a squeeze to release their oils a bit. And I'm not going to rip them off and throw them in. Some of them are going to fall off anyway, but it's just that I don't want them to pour into someone's glass. That's a half a cup of water. I'm going to melt the honey. And I'm going to add about 2 liters of club soda. Or I am going to add 2 liters, not about 2 liters. It was 2 liters. Okay, neighbors, by accident, I didn't have this on. I wasn't thinking, and I took the green bean casserole out. And you can put some almonds on top of this, slivered almonds, or what have you. Or you can put, what I'm doing, I like adding a little bit of these to the top. Okay. Give some crunch through there. And anywho, 1 second now. I'll show you our table. We're going to be eating soon, but we're not ready to just yet. Some carrots, and it smells amazing in here. Now it's bubbling, so I don't mind doing it. You could remove the juices and put them in a pan, get them bubbling away, and then do this slurry I'm going to do. It's a tablespoon of cornstarch. Do cornstarch slurry here. And I'm going to pour this in. Good old mix. And I'm going to leave that sit in there for about 15 minutes or so until it kind of gets kind of thicker. Okay, neighbors, we're going to get started. So what we're doing, we're having some mashed potatoes, some gravy, some barbecue chicken, our carrots. Look at those, they're so tasty. And our green bean casserole, our puppy. Hi, Jerri-ellen. Now let's pick up a plate and have a tasty poo. Our drink, oh yes, our drink over there too. There's my plate. There's my drink. Cheers, everyone. Oh, that's good. I like the lime in that in the mint. So, oh, need a little bit of gravy. Yes, indeedly do. Let's have a carrot with that nice orange glaze. Okay, let me take you over here, honey. Let me put you there. And some of our green beans. Sorry. That is so good. I love the little bit of nutmeg and that in these vegetables. Very nice. Anyway, I thank you all for being here. I really appreciate every single one of you. We're going to get to our supper. Peace, love, God bless. I do hope that you come back again. It means a lot to me. Thank you for being here. Take care, everyone.